Well, I'm a director of packaging for Johnson & Johnson. I've been in packaging my entire career. It's spanning close to 21 years at this moment, and I would say my specialty is sterile barrier packaging, designs and systems. Well, I had a large team of engineers, a large responsibility of packaging systems, and the specs were becoming very difficult to manage. I think the story is probably similar to many, is really the type of solutions out there, ERP systems, PLM systems, do not do a very good job of having you be able to really know your specs, manage your specs, link your specs, create one-to-many relationships. And so I started searching for a solution that could make that a better place. The engineers were spending what I felt an exorbitant amount of time trying to recreate the same information over and over, and I felt we could try to leverage that in a better way. So at some point I finally found SpecRite and we started a conversation. Well, SpecRite to me is one of that unique niche solutions for a need that's definitely in the market for this type of problem. And no other product could be found that was able to do the same type of solution out of the box that SpecRite has, and also grow, continue to be customized, continue to be added on with value. You can add modules. We continue to find more ways to use SpecRite, more than we've ever dreamed we would start with. So for us, the solution has been highly customizable, very easy to use from a user interface perspective. And I think the best aspect of SpecRite is I'm not pushing it onto the organization. I'm not pushing it onto users. Users are pulling it. We want more. We want to be able to do more of our work. And they're actually the champions of the system at this moment. So the results have been much faster access to information, mobile access to information, which was a huge win for our team. In our world where we're not sitting at a desk with a phone, with a big monitor and a laptop or desktop, we're very much out on the floor. We're working with suppliers. We have to do our work from home in some cases. Having a mobile platform and an easy to use platform was key. And the cloud-based access is also very impressive. So the user interface is probably the most important aspect of why SpecRite continues to be used, because it's a low barrier of training and a low barrier of access to be able to have the users just understand how to get their information. And when they find value and can get their information, they'll continue to use it.